Heading up, let's go.
Oh, you don't want to talk to me? Okay. Well, I guess I'll have to grenade finisher you. Goodbye, sir.
Don't you hurt my helicopter, dude. We're gonna have to talk if you scratch it. Oh.
Get over here with your damn helicopter again.
I'm gonna make this guy go squish first. You know what? Fuck you.
Damn, that was fucking, whoa. That was some crackhead shit.
You like that?
That was some crackhead shit. The chopper was falling. Jenna jumped out to kill somebody. The chopper was falling, and she got in it right as it was about to hit the ground and stopped at the next book.
Give me a second. I'll clip it. Give me a sec.